Listen carefully to the passage. Try to understand the main idea and details. If needed, pause the video and listen again. You can replay the passage as many times as you want before moving on to the questions.
Last Saturday, Daniel and his family went to the beach. The weather was hot and sunny. They brought towels, sunscreen, snacks, and a beach umbrella. Daniel wore his swim shorts and ran into the water. The sea was cool and clear. He played in the waves and built a big sandcastle with his little sister. Their parents sat under the umbrella and read books. After swimming, they ate sandwiches and drank cold juice. In the afternoon, they played volleyball and collected seashells. Daniel found a pretty pink shell and kept it in his pocket. They stayed until sunset and watched the sky turn orange and purple. It was a fun and relaxing day.
Now, it's time for the quiz. Answer the following 5 questions based on what you just heard. Write down your answers and check how many you got right. Don't forget to share your score in the comments.